I wait all week for the weekend. I'm not the type of person that can have too much planned for my weeknights or my weekend. I know some people don't understand that and they think I'm being unsociable or that I don't want to be around them. That is not the case. I have got to have my downtime. I have to keep reminding myself that the weekends are not just for my to-do checklist and getting everything done and cramming everything in. I can get some tasks done and checked off, but then it's time for me to recharge. We live in a loud, chaotic, noisy world sometimes. The weekends are my time to quiet that noise and to renew myself for the next week. It's not just the noise and chaos. I'm a person that can't be busy all the time. I can't go on a vacation where we have activities planned for every single second of the day. I have to have my downtime, time to just relax and be. Leaves are just a part of living in Michigan in the fall. It seems like everywhere I've ever lived, we've had a ton of leaves to rake. I remember when I was little, I used to rake my leaves into house design layouts, complete with mounted leaf beds and couches. I would stay out there designing my house until my mother would call me in for dinner. You know, I think the trees have the right idea. They know the exact moment to just let go. In previous videos, I've told you my relationship with worry. I really struggle to let things go. It's a process, and I am learning and getting better. And I have to say, it is a freeing feeling when you don't feel like you have to worry all the time. I need to follow the tree's lead. and let go and look around at all there is around me. It's absolutely beautiful. Wishing you a wonderful week ahead. See you next Monday.